The Amada 700A Replacement Guide Kit contains 4 precision machine carbide side guides, and it replaces Amada part numbers 1250350, 51, 65, and 66, and it fits 2-inch Amada machines like the HA700, the H700, and HFA 700. Now this kit comes with a complete set of 4 side guides. The main difference in this kit is that you're going to have 2 variants, 2 straight up guides, and then 2 coolant channel guides, as well as 1 of each, a pin-on, and then 2 screw-ons. So you just need to make a note during that deinstallation where the coolant channels were versus where the screw-on and pin-on was. That way when you get your new carbide side guide upgrade kit from Black Iron Parts, you'll know exactly how to reinstall them. Now this kit does not include a set of backup guides. If you're needing a set of backup guides for your machine, you'll have to buy them separately. You can refer to your owner's manual, or you can always contact us if you're needing help finding the correct backup guides for your particular machine. Now, carbide side guides are mounted on either side of the blade where the guide arm contacts the bandsaw blade, and it is their job to guide and support the blade through the cut. Now, every black iron guide is also CNC machined and silver brazed for unmatched accuracy and quality. And it's that silver brazing process that creates an extra durable bond between our machine guide bodies and our top grade tungsten carbide, providing a reliable and durable product. Black iron guides also feature factory spec coolant channels and chamfered slots, returning your saw back to like new cutting performance. And of course, all of our guides go through a surface grinding process that creates a nice uniform contact patch against the blade to that carbide pad. Now, installation of course is straightforward because this kit is a direct replacement. All black iron guides are only sold as complete kits. This ensures the customer has what he needs to increase his blade life and his production. It is also a way that keeps the overall cost of that kit up to about 40% lower than most manufacturers' parts. You know, in some cases you can purchase this entire kit for less than you can a single guide from the manufacturer. When you upgrade to the Black Iron Guide Kit, you will lower your repair cost, upgrade your machine with far superior parts, increase your blade life, and of course, increase those machine production times. So, the choice is an easy one. Black Iron Guide Kits makes the finest replacement parts in the industry. I'm Austin Zimmerman, and thanks for watching.